Okay, so it is that time of the month again. We have another video of us changing our engine oil, and of course gamit natin AMS oil. Yung current na napatakbo ng oil na to is probably my first longest oil kilometer reading. We are at 4,900 and yung current engine oil ngayon is AMS oil. Ito siya. And the filter, hindi siya napalitan nung previous change oil kasi I only change my oil filter. Yan. I only change my oil filter every 2 change oil cycles. So, ayun. Dati, nag-change oil ako every 3,500 and ngayon try siyang isagad ng 5,000, pero as you can see we're only at 4,900 and I guess that's as good na rin. I think okay na rin siguro yung 4,900. So makikita natin kung ano yung quality niya after 4,900 kilometers of heavy use, of daily use, long ride and commuting. So of course una natin gagawin is i-drain yung drain plug niya andun, and tatanggalin natin tong oil filter. And by the way guys, it is worth noting that before kayo mag-change oil, mas maigi na lang siguro na papainitin nyo muna yung makina, maybe run it for 5 minutes para lang magsa-circulate yung oil niya, na it might be stuck on top of the engine or sa mga sulok na nag-accumulate yung engine oil. So pag na-drain na yan siya lahat, so most likely na maraming oil na lalabas and konti na lang yung maiiwan sa engine natin. Lipat tayo dito sa other side and we'll see the quality ng oil, kung okay pa ba yung viscosity niya, yung color niya. By the way, a very important step na people usually tend to skip is changing the washer nung yung drain bolt niya. Marami pong nag-skip ng process na to kasi akala nila na hindi naman siya ganun ka-beneficial, pero this is actually parang nagsuserve na siya as seal for any types of leak. And especially on this type of bike, yung MT-03 natin, it's very high revving engine, so yung makina niya sobrang vibrate, and not only this washer would act as a sealant, it will also serve as a bridge sa vibration na nanggagaling sa makina. Parang nagsisilbi rin siyang parang dampener, parang ganun rin. So don't forget this is very important. Pwede nyo namang unti-unting tatanggalin para hindi biglang bumuhos yung oil niya. So let us take a few samples. Titingnan natin yung viscosity niya. So far okay pa naman siya. Hindi pa naman siya ganong manipis. Okay pa naman siya, I would say, yung viscosity niya. But compared to a new one, of course, medyo may kanipisan na rin. Na-feel mo talagang ninipis siya. Pero if I were to guess kung ilang kilometro pa ba yung naiwan dito sa oil na to, I would safely assume it has another 2,000 kilometers siguro. It's not that bad, honestly. I'm very surprised with the quality ng AMS oil. Kikita nyo, hindi rin siya ganong sobrang itim. And our oil filter, this was used twice already, so it's time for us to change this. So tatapos lang natin tong drain na to and we will proceed to filling up the engine. So anyways, dito nagtatapos yung ating video. This video was just a short video on showing you the quality ng AMS oil at 4,900 kilometers. So punta na tayo sa best part ng doing a change oil, which is resetting yung odo niya for the oil. Ayun, resetted na 0 ulit. Papainitan na natin yung makina para magsa-circulate yung oil niya. Sound check. So if you like this kinds of videos, please let me know. Medyo bored lang talaga tayo ngayong araw. So ayun, naisipan nating mag change oil. So yeah.